Thank you for watching. This photo was taken by a student while traveling. A family of 3 stands by a waterfall. Notice the red fence on the right. Can you see what looks like a white woman's face floating there? It's rumored to be a young woman who threw herself into this waterfall. They say no trace remains, possibly due to the tragic background. The white face is visible in the fence gap, distinct from the background rock. It might seem like light or dirt, but the mystery makes spirit photos intriguing. Is this a spirit's message or just coincidence? What do you think? Please let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks.